Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a planner on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Websites button and search the planner option next to the report. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the uploads section, and here you can upload files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example shapes, stickers, charts and more. If you want to add text, just go to the text button and click to the add a text box. If you want to draft, just go to the draft button and draft to the canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and tap on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. You can edit this text. If you want to change the style, just click to the arrow next to the sweet apricot text type name. And here you can select another style and font type. If you want to edit the style, just click to the minus or the plus icon. And in the effects section, you can add different effects to your text, for example shadows and shapes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.